Hi, this is Mark from PondAlgaeSolutions.com, and in this video we want to talk about the Easy Pro 3/4 horsepower pond aerator. We'll discuss the features, some of the specifications, and also provide some tips on how to get the best results with this aerator in your pond. The Easy Pro 3/4 horsepower aerator is great for ponds up to about 4 acres in size. It uses an efficient 3/4 horsepower rocking piston compressor, and we use a system like this in both summer and winter months to help protect fish. In the summer we try to guard against high temperatures, which can lower oxygen levels in pond water, and in the winter we basically use this system to keep a hole open in the ice so that fresh air can come out and gases can be released, which could cause some winter fish kills. This system works in depths up to 50 feet deep. Here's some specifications on this system for you. Again, this will work in ponds up to 4 acres in size with a max operational depth of 50 feet. The air output in total is 7.5 CFMs. Amps on this system are 5.4 on a 110 volt, 2.9 amps on a 230 volt, and that's at a 10-foot operational depth. This will work on both a standard 110 volt outlet, GFI is recommended obviously. Optionally, you can order it with a 220 volt system to work in more industrial settings, or if you have that wiring already in place. It includes 600 feet of 3/8 inch weighted air line and 4 double plated membrane diffusers. The operational cost is right around $1.50 a day. This will vary based on your current rates, but that should be pretty close. And the power cord length is 6 feet. This includes a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer on the compressor and a 5-year warranty on the airline and diffusers. One thing to note with all of the large pond compressors is that they must be protected from the weather. The Easy Pro does not come with a cabinet or a covering, and where most people order this system, they already have an outbuilding near the pond where they can put the compressor inside, or they build a cabinet for themselves, custom made, what have you. But ultimately, the one thing you need to remember is it does need to be protected from moisture, rain, and then also allow good cross ventilation of airflow, because these do warm up a bit and you want to keep them as cool as possible. We also have cabinets available that can be ordered individually or separately if you would desire, but for the most part the Easy Pro systems are used in existing buildings near the pond for the best results. One thing to note whenever you're fitting an aerator system to your pond is that more depth will equal more surface area coverage. For example, with this 3/4 horsepower system, it will aerate a 1-acre pond from 5 to 8 feet deep, a 2-acre pond from about 8 to 12 feet deep, and a 4-acre pond from about 12 to 16 feet or deeper. We use a system like this in both summer and winter, as we mentioned, and when we do so, in the summer months, we have all of the diffusers running equally. We release air throughout the pond and try to oxygenate as much of it as possible. In the winter months, we will often move the airflow to a more shallow off-center position. You'll notice the blue valve assembly on the compressor in the photograph, and you can control airflow individually to each release point with this assembly. So what we will do is normally shut off all the deep locations. One of our diffusers will be placed a bit more shallow, and we will run the full airflow through that shallow position simply to keep ice open in an area of the pond, and that works very well to minimize any problems for fish through the winter. If you have any additional questions about the Easy Pro 3/4 horsepower aerator or anything else related to your pond, please visit us at PondAlgaeSolutions.com and we'd be happy to help.